I'm just setting up to film a tutorial for my Elephant Lovey. I'm really excited because I'm trying something new for this design. In a previous video, I explained all the different things that I wanted to change about this design. And in this step, I'm going to be crocheting the head and the body as one piece. Loveys don't usually have a stuffed body, so I'm going to crochet in what I call a neck plate, and this is going to keep all the stuffing inside the head and out of the body. I'll make sure I list all the tools and materials in the description, and these are all the stitches and techniques I'll be using for today's tutorial. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get crocheting. This is round 1 of crocheting the head, and we're going to single crochet this neck plate into the body. There should be 36 stitches around the neck plate and 36 stitches in the last round of the body, so everything should line up perfectly. You want to make sure you have the wrong side of the neck plate facing up. The right side of the neck plate should face down into the body. Ready to begin? Line up the next stitch on the body with the first stitch of the last round on the neck plate. Then single crochet through both of these stitches. You will continue making single crochets going through the next available stitch on the body and the neck plate. Take your time with this because it's pretty easy to skip a stitch or go through the same stitch twice. I think I'll just let this whole thing play out just in case you're following along. I'm still trying to figure out my setup for filming tutorials in my new location, so let me know in the comments what you think about this angle. after you've made the last single crochet, it's a good idea to count the stitches in this round before continuing. You should have a total of 36 stitches, and every stitch with the neck plate should have lined up perfectly with the body. It might look a bit odd right now, but in the next few rounds, things should get a little easier. Everything seems to be coming along as expected, and I hope you were able to follow along. Sometimes it can be difficult to see where to put your hook when you're crocheting pieces together, or at least it is for me. That's why I just take my time and count my stitches when I'm done, just to make sure I didn't skip a stitch or make an extra one. If you want to know when this pattern is releasing, just sign up for my newsletter. I'll leave a link in the description. That's going to be it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks for watching. Okay, quiet, 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 quiet. Izel, quiet, 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 quiet. Izel, quiet.